I'm not sure what NLP is. I haven't ever done it. Or maybe we do it without thinking. Having been briefed this morning, I can tell you exclusively that it involves us reprogramming our brains. So the classic thing is a thing called reframing, I gather, which is where you take an incident that's upset you and you try and see it in a different light, essentially. So, you know, your car bumps the boss's car, he jumps out and shouts at you, says you've always been useless, and this plays on your mind for years.
So you have to find a way of dealing with it.
You get
getting it out in front of you, right?
Exactly, and you sort of think, well, he was having a bad day anyway, and then you imagine people laughing and play silly music on the memory, and that's supposed to help.
Right.
And also can help with spiders. Spiders, they can learn to get a lot from neurolinguistics.
Yeah, they do, yeah. They can happy things.
They really do. Yes, spiders, aircraft flights, all that kind of thing. You know, the actor who's really worried about the line she's going to forget in the second act, and can find a way of
in 45 miles, keep left on Woodford Road,
Take that
7
video,
miles,
right?
Yes, exactly. But maybe that's what we all do anyway. That's what I got. Maybe it's just common sense with a fancy name.
Right.
So
Sounds interesting.
I think that you're so interested in that you're going to hang around the station and try and meet this guy.
The railway station.
You're going to hang around and try and meet Richard Bandler. We're also talking about the very sad case of a mystery as well of Gareth Whittington, man who was found locked in his sports bag and broken there by 6. And